She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. This recipe is for a wonderful and delicious creamy chili crisp pasta with spinach. Flavors are out of this world and simple and easy. These are the ingredients I will be using today to make this creamy chili crisp pasta. Everything is going to pair together so well. The flavors are going to be phenomenal and so quick and easy. Hope you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Down the one. Yeah. I get it done. Yeah. I get it done. Yeah. Down the one. Down the one. Yeah. I get it done. Yeah. I get it done. You better twerk it fast. Get it started. We finna get it lit like the Mardi Gras. Diamonds dancing. Ice dripping like a broken faucet on me. Black boy from the land of the free lunch. Corner store trip, rerun, moon full. Look at the dark clouds. Know you see us, you wanna be us, huh?
Touch the floor, we gon' light it up. I'm on 10, can't get high enough. I'm on 10, can't get high enough. We fortified, we don't know them guys on the other side, they are not with us. I'm on 10, can't get high as us. I'm on 10, can't get high.
I'm the one.
Okay guys, so this is a quick and easy 4-ingredient pasta dish. This chili crisp pasta can be whipped up in no time. The flavors are wonderful. It has a nice homemade chili crisp sauce that coats the pasta so well. Definitely give this one a try. It's quick and easy. It's versatile. You can add whatever you like, but definitely make sure you include that chili crisp because that is the star of the dish. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know some of the ways that you love to use chili crisp oil. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.